Jai Shri Mahakal.
Jai Shri Mahakal, Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna. So today we are back with a new testimonial from a patient from USA. He is working in a University of Florida as a professor.
Florida Institute of Technology.
Florida Institute of Technology. So a new story of natural healing, health and longevity, and utmost thing, the satisfaction. So please introduce yourself.
My name is Raghuveer Mohan. I'm actually a professor of computer science in Florida Institute of Technology.
Initially you are from Chennai.
I'm initially from Chennai, but for this trip I've come all the way
from US.
Yeah.
So you are staying in US for last 10 years?
I've been staying for about 17 years.
17 years you are in US.
So okay. I first went to the US in 2008. Yeah.
So for what you have come here at Sai Holistic Dental Care?
I was having a lot of pain in a couple of different spots. So one is near the wisdom tooth. I think it is the first molar here, and then there is also I've got pain here. I could not chew food because it was paining, and there were some times where I had intense pain on this side, very like unbearable pain. I would have pain all the way in my ears and even in my temples right here, and then I would have headaches, intense pain, and also here I couldn't chew food. I think food was getting trapped, and so I actually went to 5 dentists before you. So you are the 6th one.
Okay.
So I had actually seen 2 dentists in the US, and I came to Chennai, and then I saw, actually even in the US I met somebody online also, and then in Chennai I saw 2, and then finally
you landed up here.
I finally landed here.
So what made you think that we could help you and we are the superior and we are over the dentist in the US?
So first of all, the dentists, most of the standard dentistry. So I have seen, so among these 6 people, 4 were standard dentists and 2 were holistic or biological dentists. So the 4 dentists told me that I should remove pretty much 3 wisdom teeth, even things that are very well. They asked me to remove it, and then they wanted to do 3 root canals. And I did a lot of research and into root canals. The very first thing I saw was Dr. Ritzita's, I forget her last name, but her podcast where she very clearly mentions the dangers of root canals. And then I started looking into some other people like Dr. Eugene Sambataro, and they've done a lot of research. Dr. Weston Price has done a lot of research. Dr. Hal Huggins has done a lot of research, the dangers of root canal. And one thing I was sure that I did not want a root canal. So I also met a biological dentist in the USA. They said that if you were to keep your teeth, you have to do a root canal. So they did recommend. So they also mentioned that I had to do like some gentle wave root canal, and so I was not happy with any of the doctors in the US, and also it was very expensive. There is a whole system of health insurance and dental insurance and things like that, which I was not wanting to get into. So I was searching. I came to Chennai, and even my cousins who are doctors in profession, a heart surgeon and a pathologist, they said they knew a dentist, and I sent him the scans from the US only, and he said, we can only figure out if you came here. I sent you the exact same scans and you told me a completely different picture. So and then I was also doing a lot of research. I wanted to see if there were any holistic dentists in India, because I came here and I wanted to get it treated in India. And I looked and searched, and your profile and your name came up. And then I started looking into what you've done. It was very impressive because for me, I've been taking homeopathic medicines since young. My grandmother was a homeopathic doctor. My aunt is my mother's sister is a homeopathic doctor. So when you in your profile it says that you are not only a biological or a holistic dentist, but also you have expertise in treating with homeopathy rather than allopathy. That was like uh, like a godsend for me. Like I was a Bhagwan Krishna sent, and then not only that, I also read that you are very much into Ayurveda. You've done a lot of research in Ayurveda. You have also a Hatha Yoga master. And then I immediately knew, and then I saw a lot of video testimonials in YouTube and Facebook. And I realized that you should be the one treating me.
Thank you very much. I'm not that much great that you have made. I'm still in a learning phase for everything. So anyways, we are very much happy treating you, seeing you recover very soon.
Yeah.
So how was your overall experience with us?
Oh, fantastic. I'm absolutely blown away. First of all, you managed to save so many of my teeth. I didn't have to remove 3 wisdom teeth.
Yeah.
I didn't have to do 3 root canals. So what we did was an extraction because that tooth had already decayed beyond repair. There were also abscess being formed. So the only, in fact, I had a lot of anxiety, and every step of the way you have made sure that my anxiety was nothing to be worried about. In fact, we scheduled to extract our tooth on one day, and then I came to you and said, can we just take one last 3D scan before we take it out, because I wanted to be absolutely sure. This is my first tooth that I'm removing. And then you were kind enough to say okay, and then I went, took a 3D scan. And so every step of the way, even before the extraction, I was having a lot of anxiety about the pain during the extraction. You told me that you would give me local anesthesia. You told me that if it pains, you would give me some more anesthesia. And
it was painless.
The entire extraction was painless. But I did experience a little bit of pain afterwards. But I think that is because of, I've been treated homeopathy in a different way, using high potency medicines.
Very high potency.
Very high potency medicines, which is not the standard. But you practice the standard homeopathy. And it took us a little bit of time to figure out. But I think, so I did experience a little bit of pain. I think on the first day, you gave me something which completely reduced from 7 or 8 out of 10 to 2 or 3 out of 10. It reduced overnight it reduced. And then the pain persisted for a while because we were just planning to figure out because you keep giving me homeopathic medicines, and I kept taking in high potencies, very high potencies. And then finally we figured that out.
And we managed to finally solve the issue. What was persisting. So we did not give any antibiotics. So it was an antibiotic-free treatment, we can say.
Absolutely antibiotic-free treatment. The only time you said if it really pained, you told me to take a painkiller. And then I had some swelling, and I had some problems with opening
the mouth,
because we had to remove the stitches. We had to do some other things as well. So, and only after I insisted, you said that I could
take the painkiller. So anyways, we have saved a tooth which was indicated for root canal by all the dentists. We just made the filling and everything went off very good. We did a regenerative filling in that. So that is our replacement for the root canals. The patients which are indicated for root canals, we majorly do the regenerative fillings. So I'm very happy that this tooth is saved. And I'm also happy that the molar is saved, which was indicated for extraction from many of the dentists. So thank you very much. Thank you for trusting us.
Of course.
So we are helping you with other medical issues also.
So I'll just talk briefly about. So I have some excessive perspiration in my palms and my soles from a very young age. So you are giving me some medicines for that. I'm having you are also giving me some medicines for some weight loss.
Yeah.
And also for some snoring.
Some snoring.
And then I also had some
Yeah.
toe issues that you are giving me medicines for.
So we are trying to help you heal naturally.
Yes.
Without any allopathic medicine.
Yeah.
Whatever is feasible.
Yes. And I also wanted to talk a little bit about my stay.
Okay.
It is absolutely comfortable. Very, 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 very comfortable. Very, very delicious food served here by Dr. Ritika and yourself. You both have taken excellent care of me. I could not be happier, actually. Like excellent care. I was, Uttarakhand, and this is the first time I'm coming to Uttarakhand. I don't speak Hindi, so I'm, it's a very beautiful place. Lots of trees, farms, and things like that. I mean, it is just perfect, absolutely comfortable stay, very delicious food. I couldn't be happier.
Any kind of pollution, noise pollution, sound pollution, air pollution, water pollution?
No, sir. There was no pollution at all. No water pollution. It's very high quality air also. Food was amazing. No pollution at all. And lots of mandir. So I was able to go to a couple of different places.
Thank you very much for trusting us.
Yeah.
Thank you.